In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact eToro support. If you need help with your account, a transaction, or a general question, the support area inside eToro is the best place to start. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect once you get there. First, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right support options tied to your profile. Once you're logged in, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load so all menu items appear properly. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Help and Resources. This section is where eToro gathers useful information, guidance, and access to support tools. If you're not sure where to click at first, just scan the side menu carefully and select the option labeled Help and Resources. After that, open the support page. This is the area where you can move beyond general help articles and start the process of getting direct assistance. Depending on the layout you see, the support page may also show troubleshooting options and common topics before you begin contacting someone. Once you're there, choose a contact method. You'll typically see options such as assistance via chat or get useful solutions. If you want direct help, the chat option is usually the fastest route. If your issue is simple, the useful solutions section may help you solve it immediately without waiting. If you decide to use chat, click Start Chatting. This will connect you with eToro's support chat system. In some cases, you may first interact with a messaging assistant before reaching a live support agent, so don't worry if that happens. It's a normal part of the process and helps route your request more efficiently. Now, describe your issue clearly. Enter the details of your question or problem with as much relevant information as possible, while keeping it concise and easy to understand. A clear explanation can help speed up the response and reduce back-and-forth messages. Focus on the main issue, what happened, and what kind of help you need. From there, continue the conversation by following the prompts from the messaging assistant or support agent. Answer any follow-up questions carefully and provide the requested details so they can guide you toward a solution. And that's it. That's how to contact eToro support. Thanks for watching.